You don't have to carry the entire weight of tomorrow. All at once. Breathe. Let the moment be enough. The pressure you feel today isn't a sign that you are weak. It's a sign that you are on the edge of a transformation. Because real change doesn't arrive with trumpets. It whispers. It shows up in silence. At 6 a.m. when no one is watching, when your doubts speak louder than your dreams. Your strength isn't built in grand gestures, not in the viral moments or applause. It's built in the quiet ones, the ones no one sees, the breath you steady when panic rises, the choice to show up when everything in you says stay down, the gentle discipline of beginning again and again and again. In the one small step you take when you wanted to stay still, that is where your new roots begin to grow. Not in noise, but in stillness. Not in force, but in faith. You're not falling behind. You're laying the foundation, 1 inch at a time. Growth looks boring most days. It looks like brushing your teeth when your mind is chaos, like writing one sentence, like stretching when your soul feels sore, like saying, "I'll try again tomorrow," and meaning it. There is no lightning bolt of arrival. There is only showing up, and showing up again, even with shaky hands, even when your voice cracks. Because every time you move forward, even just a little, you are becoming someone new, someone braver, someone softer, someone who doesn't need to rush the bloom because they trust the roots. You don't have to rebuild the whole house tonight. Just light one candle. Just clear one corner. Just speak one truth. Healing doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for presence, progress, patience, even when it's slow, even when it's quiet, even when it's lonely. Especially then, because that's where resilience is born, not in shouting over the pain, but in learning to sit with it, to let the tears fall without shame, to let the anger pass like a storm, to forgive the old versions of you that didn't know better. You are not behind. You are becoming. And that is sacred work. Every breath is a beginning. Every step is a vow. I am still here. I am still trying. I am still growing. You don't have to carry the entire weight of tomorrow. Just carry this moment. With grace, with grit, with a whisper of hope in your chest. Rise, little by little,